I'm Emmy, and welcome to the sugar bush. Today I'm going to show you how to tap a maple tree. These are all sugar maples, and the tree you choose to tap should be at least as big around as a dinner plate, a minimum of 12 inches. For large trees, you can even put in 2 taps, but today we're just going to do 1. We're going to start by drilling a hole about 3 feet up on the sunny side. We want to avoid drilling into any damaged areas or old tap holes since the sap flow will be weaker there. We're going to drill a hole about 2 inches deep at a level or slightly uphill angle. So don't do it like this, do it more like this. See, it's already draining out of the hole. Next, we're going to insert the spile and tap it into place with a hammer. See, it's already running. All that's left is to hang our collection bag onto the spile, and we're done. Of course, if you want a more traditional look, you might want to use sap buckets instead of bags, but it's up to you. Have fun!